chicken. Really, really badly, I want chicken. So badly. Why is it that when I don't want chicken, I have a deep freeze full of chicken, tons and tons of chicken. Like last time I went shopping for chicken, I bought like 3 of those big, huge, yeah, huge, massive bags of chicken, and like chicken breast, and there was like, I don't know, 40, 50 some odd pieces of chicken in each bag. Thank God for Sam's Club. Yes, I love Sam's Club. Yes, Sam's Club, you buy in stock. Anyway, but about 3 of those, and like $20 each. That's a great deal for fucking chicken breast. Oh, chicken breast. Chicken. Anyways, yes, I'm crazy about chicken. I love chicken. But, I don't have any more. It's all gone. I want my chicken. Oh, cook you for some chicken. Chicken. Give me chicken. I would love you forever and ever and ever and ever and ever if you give me chicken. Chicken.